Okay, what's up, guys? We have come to iron things and shit. Yeah, I know we are not showing, but yeah, what can we do, man?
I'm leaving.
No. Yeah. So, yo.
I spawned here again, you fatty.
Yeah, I'm coming back. Yo.
I'm so far.
Yeah.
Wait for me there.
How did I kill you? How did I kill you?
I'm two hearts.
Bro, you should have told me.
I already told you. You freak.
You told half a heart.
Now I got two.
Bro.
Come to me or I'll come to you.
Okay, we both will come in the same direction. Okay, so 86.
Which one are you?
Okay.
70. Wait, where are you?
Wait, you're at 70. Okay, be at 80. Be at 80. I'm also gonna be at 80. Okay, now move a direction. Move forward. Okay, wait. Okay, 81. Okay, bro, wait. Okay, 81, and if I go like this, no. So you're in this direction, right? Yeah, 50, 68, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna come.
You stupid.
You also come in the mean.
Wait, where are you?
I'm coming to you. Be there in the spawn. Oh, I see you.
Oops.
But do you have any food?
No. I would never. I have some potatoes.
Bro. Oh,
Take.
kill me.
Where are you?
Kill me.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, I'm full.
Where are you?
Bro. Okay, we will today go and explore.
Yeah. Come. Follow. Wait, night. Keep your bed.
Bro, I'm not sleeping with you.
Keep somewhere at least. Night is approaching.
Okay, whoa.
You sleeping? If you hit me now.
No. But let's. It's not night.
I one-shotted this pig. I mean sheep.
Bro, meanwhile I will kill this.
No, wait. We both will kill one. Where are you? Wait, come fast! Skeleton spawned! Come! Why?
Sleep.
I slept. Yes. Talking to them. No. You stupid. Let's go exploring. Wait, but first come. We found a target. I found a target.
But now stop, bro. We have to really now go.
No. First pig. Stupid. Thanks.
Come.
Where are you?
Come.
Okay, come on. We will explore some caves, okay?
Yeah.
For diamonds.
Oh, llama.
Let's make a home.
Yeah, we will go and find a home-like place. Come to me, follow me. Are you following me?
No, I'm so far. Yes, I am.
Hey, you there? LLL. Hey! I'm running.
Sorry, I will never beat you. Sorry, I'm coming.
Then?
I put my sword back. Confess your God and you will be saved.
We.
Wait, is this?
That is in small.
Hey, call.
No. I already have it ready.
Where are you? Okay. I hate this. Wait, who killed you? I took you. Oh my, this cave looking so promising. Come.
No. Wait, call. Wait,
Go down slowly. Don't rush down. Okay?
I'm a dear devil. Okay. Bro. Okay, you mind it. Bro, why are you leaving? I'm gonna make us die, though.
If you make me die.
Where are you?
Where are you? Hello. Come. Do we go down?
No, bro, no.
We
Okay,
got
come up. Nope, I'm saying no, so no.
Wait, let me take some wood to go up. No, laggy. Lag means we will leave. I will leave. Lag means No, lag. If lag came, I will leave.
Oh, I found the village.
Where? Wait for me.
I'm gonna be in the village.
Where I can't come. Look.
Because if you leave and it's night, then I am cooked, right?
Yeah. Yes, finally. Where is water? Here. Wait.
Come in the.
Confess your sins and you'll be saved. Confess your sins and you'll be. Oh my
Oh, I see you. You're. Oh no, little bro.
I told you, confess your sins and you'll be saved. Confess your sins and you'll be saved. I don't know how to climb water.
Bro, just go straight. Just
like this?
yeah. No, Lucky, you dumb. You see, you dumb thing. You dumb. You're so dumb. Just do this.
Oops. You made me die. You.
Dumb. What dumb?
I'm playing Minecraft after a long time. Hey! Why are you attacking? Where are you? Okay. Is this a new village? No! Yeah.
No, this is the village I went before.
Wait, I found it.
See, this is the village I went before.
Okay, I'm gathering food.
Yeah.
No, not eating. Gathering. Oh, there are potatoes and carrots. Oh, you're not taking mine. If you find hay bales, tell me. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, is this becoming night?
No, but I need another block.
Yes, 46 carrots.
I have to kill my.
Let's make a home here, okay?
No, this is a bad one. Ooh, what happened, Iron?
Hey, oi, you killing Goli. Wait, let me also help you.
No, he will not. Hit.
That mine.
Yeah, just big steel.
You want some carrots? Where zombie?
Nah, man, get you, bro. Get out, man. Why you taking mine? Huh?
Sorry. Take. No. Wait, I'm so low because of you. Wait, keep your set point here.
Why?
Just do it. If we die, we can come back here. Do set point.
Wait.
Click on that bed. Just click on that
Where
bed.
is another house? Yeah, I'm gonna be in that one.
Sure, I will also be with you.
Bring that bed.
We will make a big bed.
Yo, your sauce. I'm gonna sleep in here.
Okay, now that's it. Home set point set. Set point set. Okay, where are you? I will also come to your bed. Oof.
That thing, bro.
Water thingy.
Where?
Double decker.
Yeah.
Where? Wait, I saw water. See this?
Yeah, this one. Place your bed on it. Oh, your bed. Another one.
Wait, where is mine?
Bro, just make a new one.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
Don't you say you're an idiot?
Nope, I didn't.
Okay, bro, we can make our house.
In here.
No. We will go way far.
Wait. First of all, wait, I can't place my bed here. Wait, I got an idea. Let me break this door.
Oh, yes. I got 6 leather. But do you have any leather?
Wait,
I'm done.
I
I'm
have
done.
6.
Done.
I have 6.
Can you give, please, Ghibli,
Why?
Ghibli.
No, you being meanie.
Bro, why? Give me at least two.
Okay, but you iron.
Okay, I'll give iron.
You.
Nah, man. No, we'll craft ourselves some this.
I'll give some armor. Wait, which armor you have it?
I'm leather. Okay, come here.
How to craft leather armor?
Bro, with leather. Come here. See my name tag. Okay. Just. Okay, come. See. Bro, see down. No. Left. Yeah. My name tag. Just come there. Just go straight. No. Go now straight. Yeah, now you see my name tag. Left. Yo, you dumb boss.
Let's go.
Bro,
Water saved you, right?
why are you hitting me?
Sorry. I will never hit you.
Huh? Why, bro? Like you.
Thank you for refilling. Why can't I go out? See, Nasir.
Oh, karma. For
Where are you?
yeah, I'm just in the same spot.
Wait. I'll come. Slow down.
Bro, don't you dare kill me. And this is my food. Just kidding. I'll give you mine too.
What are you?
Half.
Just seeing. 6, bro. I got some more pork chop. 7.
We will spend everything.
Wait. Don't eat the food. Don't eat food. We will share all. I also have a lot of food. Give me all of your food.
Take two.
Give me all of your food. All. We will share. You all. We will share you.
Bro, I gave you 2 of my bread. I had also 2. Okay, I have 4. You take the 4.
Okay.
Take the 4 porks.
Okay.
Take your 4 pork. Okay, anyway, guys, we will see in the next part.